What's up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a Dollar Tree DIY, and these are the things that we will be needing to make this Glam night light lamp. Now go ahead and paint your glass bottle. I'm using a sponge brush. I find it's a lot easier to use for the glass than the regular paintbrush, because the regular paintbrush sometimes leave paint strokes behind or brush strokes behind. So I'm using a sponge. Okay, so now we're going to take an acrylic candy box and we're going to remove all the labels from it, and then we're going to get started working with it, starting off with putting on some of the bling wrap. We're going to use this style bling. You can use whatever style you like or you have on hand, but this is what I'm going to use starting off, and I'm going to pretty much cover the entire top portion with rows of bling using hot glue. Next step is to add our ribbon to the acrylic box, and I'm going to put it around the top portion perimeter using hot glue. Now you can add 2 strips of the ribbon down both sides of the acrylic box using hot glue as well. I'm just tucking it a little bit underneath the top portion and then gluing it down the sides. Now take your bling or embellishments and decorate your acrylic box / lampshade any kind of way that you like. Now I started to decorate as I go. I found some more sticky bling in my craft supply, and this is the black tone, so I wrapped just a little bit of it around the bottle. This is definitely an optional step. You do not have to do this part if you do not choose to. And here is my push LED light. As you can see, I am using one that has some sticky gems around the base. Now you don't have to put that on there, but I actually found this one in my supply, so I'm saving the other one for another DIY, and I'm using one that I've already had in stock. I just didn't peel the little bling off, but it's fine. So it has a sticky backing, and you just want to put it up there to the top of the acrylic box, and it should stick just fine. You could add added security by using hot glue to it if you choose to. Now I'm also going to take some E6000 and put a little bit around the lip of the bottle, as well as some hot glue, and then glue it down to my LED light. And don't worry, this is very secure. It will not fall off. Now I'm taking my cute little silver dog and I'm just embellishing it with some of these little sticker bling embellishments that I got from, I think it was Michael's craft store. Alright, using my E6000 and hot glue again, I am now going to glue that cute little doggy down to the top of this lamp. Okay fam, this is the end of the DIY today. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did and you're feeling generous today, please go ahead and give me a like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, I want to say welcome. Thank you so much for joining us, and I hope that you will come back really soon to visit and see more wonderful DIYs. And remember, you need to be subscribed to the channel and make sure that your post notification bell is turned on so that you're not missing out on any wonderful DIYs. Thank you so much for your time, you guys. I really do appreciate it. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and to share and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.